Here we are, we're here with Parker House Washington Heights collection, and we're going to talk a little bit about the pieces and what we got going on here. So in the Washington Heights collection, it's very versatile. We can see from our spec sheet all the different pieces that we offer. In this setup right here, we can kind of display some of those, right? We have the glass case bookcase, which is the 440. It's a 32-inch piece. You obviously have your corner pieces. We got the 22-inch piece in here, right? You can mix and match these however you want. You can put it next to a 22, a 32. Right here we have the TV console, all of the space, the storage that you have in here, the glass cabinet, so you can still control all your pieces, right? A lot of storage on both sides of the TV console here. And on this side you got a 22-inch piece here, and over here you have what's separate is this is a 32-inch open piece. Again, you can mix and match whether you want the glass door cabinet or you can have the open hutch cabinet here. Lots of storage in here. Get some shelves in here. A lot of people always ask if these shelves are adjustable. This is a glass shelf, as you can see here, so provides a lot more visibility on all the stuff you have in your shelves, but they are adjustable shelves in here. And again, you can finish it off with a corner. You can make these as big or as little as you want. With all the different pieces, it's up to you. They do all connect together, so you can hold them together. They fit in an 8-foot ceiling, so they're really tall here, but they're meant to fit in an 8-foot ceiling. So any home that has those, it will all fit. It looks like it's built in, very cost effective. You can add a couple of additional pieces here. This is the executive desk here, very sturdy desk, has built-in wire management here. And we'll walk around here, you can see everything that there is to offer here in the desk. You got a drawer, you're gonna get a lateral file right here. So you can either have legal or letter size. You got the pull out, the flip down tray, right, with all your wire management as well. Just a beautiful piece of furniture here that you can add. So a great complement here to the library wall. This is the ladder rail. We can explain that here for a minute. So the way that these ladder rails work is you actually don't have to have the ladder rail. If you want, you can take the ladder rail off and there's just plugs for it, so you can get rid of it if you decide, because the ladder is optional. You don't have to have it, but a very sleek piece, slides real easy all the way across. But again, every piece will come with the ladder rail, but it is an option. The last piece in the Washington Heights collection is what we call the writing desk. A very sleek, good looking piece of furniture that can kind of just float in your room anywhere you'd like. One of the neat features of the Washington Heights collection here by Parker House is the touch lighting feature. Now, not every one of the entertainment walls has lighting built into it, but Washington Heights does. Here you can see it's actually installed in the corner case. It doesn't have to be installed in the corner bookcase. It could be installed in any of the other bookcases. It's just where you decide to put it, but it's a 3-setting light, right? Low, medium, and high, but a simple little touch with the finger is all that it does. But you can see that that touch lighting provides a nice little touch to all the lighting here in the bookcase.